This is Yuri. Today we are showing you how to prepare hotate scallop, everyone's favorite shellfish. We went to the supermarket and bought ones removed from its shell. This is a fresh farm scallop from Miyagi Prefecture, Onagawa. Let's start off by quickly rinsing it with water. Always add scallop into the water full of bowl and don't shower directly on the scallop. Drain it. And now let's prepare a salted water. We will make water with 3% salt concentration, so let's add 30 grams into the bowl. And add 1 liter of water. We'll use this water to get rid of fishiness from scallop. It's okay to sprinkle salt directly onto the scallop, but here we're using classic Japanese salting method called tateji-o. This way, we can spread salt evenly to all the scallop. Once it's ready, let scallop jump into the bowl and let's wait for about 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's pour in 1 liter of water into the pot. Then add dried Kombu seaweed, about 10 to 15 grams per liter of water. Then put it on very low heat and rise it up to 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. What we want to do here is to slowly poach scallop for about 15 to 20 minutes. By doing this, it enhances sweetness of scallop and it also makes the mouthfeel a lot better. 20 minutes has passed, so let's drain scallop from salt water. Now water is hitting around 60 degrees, but that's okay as the temperature will drop when you add in scallop. Now add all of the scallops. Give it a little shake to even it out. Temperature has dropped, let's leave it like this for now. Today we use farmed scallop, but its natural distribution area is from around Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia to around Hokkaido. Scallop is relatively a newcomer on Edomae Sushi's menu because it's originally up from north. But from about 50 years ago, logistics system for fresh food has hugely improved, so it became one of the classics on sushi restaurants' menu. Also, scallop farming has widely expanded to areas such as Noto Peninsula and Tohoku region like this one. So nowadays, scallop is on the menu not only in the winter time, but all year round. Now you can see scallop has swollen this much. This will be good enough. Looks cooked from the outside, but it's nice and half raw in the center. Turn off the heat and scoop out about 300 milliliters of soup from the pot. Then transfer it into a small bowl. Let's get rid of rest of the soup and drain the scallops. Now put the scallops in the soup we've saved earlier. Prepare a bowl full of iced water and cool it down for about 10 minutes. めっちゃ美味しそう。つい日本語になっちゃった。Now let's store it into a container with a paper towel underneath it. Make sure you wipe the excess water with a towel. If you wish to freeze this, wrap it one by one. According to Akira-san, it will last about 2 months. This simple method of Shikomi can be applied to many kinds of scallop cooking. In our next episode, we will use the scallop and introduce how we grill, slice, and more. So stay tuned!
Thank you and ありがとう.
See you in the next video!